So a lot of customers have the question of, why don't I see trucks in my neighborhood? Are we working to get the lights back on? And the answer to that is there's a lot of different steps that have to occur in order for us to start getting the lights back on. So we have to assess the damage in the area to see what actually is the problem. And then at that point, we can send our crews out, and that kind of saves us time for them figuring it out because we've already assessed it. A lot of the times we have to go back to the very root cause, which may start at a transmission line or a substation. And a lot of times those equipments are not in the areas in which you may live. They're kind of spread out. So if you don't see them in your neighborhood, we're working. They're just not necessarily visible. It's a lot of stuff we do behind the scenes. But we try to make sure our customers are as updated as possible. So check your outage maps. Go to alabamapower.com/storm to see some of those updates, as well as looking on social media. We're on all social media platforms just to kind of keep you updated on the ETR, which is the estimated time of restoration, so that everyone's aware of what's going on, and we're trying to get your lights back on as soon as possible. We want to make sure that we are doing everything the safe and efficient way because our #1 priority is safety.